Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a hand washing routine with me using paints? Let's go! I'm going to start by using my black marker and drawing the outline of the child's head. And here is the child's pigtails. Cute! Now for the face, the eyes, nose, and smile. And here is the child's dress and arm. And what do you think this might be? I'll give you a hint. It's very important in the hand washing routine and makes lots and lots of bubbles. That's right, it's the soap. Now for the legs and shoes. And what is this the child is standing on? That's right, a step. Now to add some pattern to the dress. And what do you think this might? Well, lots of water comes out of it. It's another very important step in our hand washing routine. That's right, it's the sink. And what could this be? It's a toilet. The child has gone to the toilet, so now needs to wash their hands very well to get rid of all the yucky germs. And that's the outline done. Now for painting my picture. I am using an orange color and am painting the child's hair. Now for the hair ties, I am using a pink and red color, and I will paint the mouth too. And now for the skin. Skin can be found in lots of different colors. No color is better than the rest. It's just different. Today I am using a light tan color. And now for dress. I am using red and yellow colors. Now for the shoes, I am using pink and green colors. And for all of those bubbles from the soap, I am using a light purple color. And the step, here I am using a dark purple color. And for the sink, I am using a fun bright green color. And for the taps and the water spout, I am using purple, red, and yellow colors. Now for the toilet, I am using a sky blue color, a pink color, and a green color. And to finish off, I am painting the floor in a light orange color. And that's it. I'm all done. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe and get in touch to let me know what drawings you would like to see me do. Check out my baby and the bottle video too. See you again soon.